Welcome back to another normal video.
A regular Diecast Toys Plus video. And we're going to do
your favorite car.
my favorite car. 71 Rivieras is what we're going to do today.
I feel like they could have done better with the Hotwheels one.
Yeah, it'd be nice if they would do another casting of it. I actually had one when I was 19, I think, when I had mine. Somewhere in there. 19 years old. 20 years old. I had a 71 Riviera. Love that car. It was really nice. I wish I could get another one. It's a really nice car. This car here we're going to start out with. This one here is a 9-pack car. It's not, they put out a 9-pack. I can't remember what year they put this out, but all the cars that were in there were only in 9-packs, and I've only seen them in that one particular 9-pack. I didn't see them like in other 9-packs. And this car was in there. I think there was a 57 Chevy in there, and there was a 69 Firebird in that, or Trans Am Firebird that was in that pack, and I can't remember what other cars were in there, but it was like an exclusive 9-pack. I think it was at Walmart, I want to say. So that's what this car here comes out of. So that's our first Riviera, and it's actually not bad.
And then here's the second one.
And then this one, that's a Walmart car too. What was the name of that series? It was just, I don't know, I guess just Hot Wheels Racing Circuit. Here's all the cars that were in that series. And it's from 2018. So this is a 2018 car, huh?
Oh, it's an 18 set?
That's what it's like. Well, it says copyright 2017 on the back of the card, so I would say it's a 2018 car.
I thought it was like 2016.
No. It's got white bumpers on it, chrome base, white interior. So the interior and the bumpers must be the same, because this car is, the first one was gold interior, gold bumpers. Alright. This one doesn't look too bad with all the Hot Wheels racing on it. That's that one. Then we have this red one. And this is from what year? It should say on the back. 20, it says 2013, so it must be 2014. It says 2015 on the back, but the copyright says 2013, but it says Hot Wheels City 2015 High Performance Hot Wheels City. So it's actually 2015 there, Tommy. I'm gonna open that one. Copyrights. Well, I see it's the copyright said 2013 on it, but it says 2015 up on the top. Red. I don't know what kind of does it say gasket? Like G gasket, Mr. Gasket or something? Not sure. There's the red one. Alright. What else you got, Tommy? Now this car was a couple different ways. There's a blue one. It also came in a 4-wheel drive style car. Well, that's like the third. Green. So there's like, oh, it came out in 3 different colors that year, huh?
Yeah.
So we got red, a light colored blue, and a green one. Wow. It's like the third blue one so far. These have like speakers in the back window. Alright. That one, that blue one, and the green one. And that one there is that's the first year it came out, and that's a Kmart exclusive. That's Kmart exclusive right here, the gold one. What year?
Here's another one.
Yeah, this was the first edition one here. And they came out in 2005. 2005. First edition. And the gold one was a Kmart day car. This is a Kmart day car right here. This gold car. And then that was the mainline car right there. That was the first one that came out. What is it, like a turquoise color car? Or it's not blue. It's not really green. Not aqua. I don't know what color you would call that. It's almost like a blue color. And see, we got a scrape. It's got some paint wear on the roof. That's from being in the package, I'm gonna say, because you just opened that package, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's I guess that's why people say take them out. Take them out as soon as you get them, because that avoids. Oh, it was a little loose? Okay, then it must be from something else. And then we got this one here, Hot Wheels Lowriders. This orange one. And there's the list, the Lowriders. Oh, there were Super Chromes and fine colors. This was, I think, a Target car. Let's see, is there a manufacturing date anywhere? 2006 it says on the back here, so it might be 2007 that these came out. These were at Target. Here you go, Tommy. That was a Target. Those were at Target. I remember that Target had sold those. It's in there pretty good, ain't it? This is a Target car. It does have plastic base. Yeah, plastic base. It's an orange. Nothing fancy with it, just a basic car. So there's the orange one. And then that's the treasure hunt car.
This is the only one you had doubles of.
Yeah. What year was the treasure hunt?
I'm pretty sure 13.
Is that what it says on the back there? It's got gold interior.
2011.
Let me see. Yeah, 2011. 2011. There you go. This one has a white roof on it. And it's just a basic one. It's not the Super. I don't have the Super. But there's the TH logo on the front fender. So there's that treasure hunt.
That's the last one of this type of car.
It's what?
Last one of those.
Oh, yeah. Here's the four wheel. So here's the 4-wheel drive, the high one. And they put it up on 4-wheel drive. Plastic base. Not sure why they picked this car for this type of deal, but I don't think it was maybe the greatest thing they picked, but what do you think of it as a 4-wheel drive?
Okay.
Yeah, it's not.
It's the second one.
And then the green one, that was the recolor. I'm not sure which car came out first. Probably the green one. I think the green one maybe came out first, and then the red one was the recolor. Maybe not. I don't remember how it was. This one's got orange glass, yellow interior. Actually, it looks like it's got same wheels. And green. Alright. And then the last one we got is the purple one. I think the purple one was the first one they put out, was this purple one. And they came out with those other two. I don't know if I'm missing any. I must be missing some Rivieras. Doesn't seem like I would have thought they maybe put out more of these cars than what I have, but maybe not. Maybe this is all there is. This one's got yellow glass, chrome interior.
Right. That's all Hot Wheels.
That's all the Hot Wheels. And this one here is a Revell Lowrider series. It has the opening trunk on it with all the what is it, speaker stuff or something in there, or hydraulics. Stupid phone won't focus. Wow, it's terrible about focusing. I can't get it to focus, Tommy. See if these lift up and down. These wheels are kind of adjustable. I can't get the back to adjust.
Same on this one.
The front ones came back down on me. There it is. And you put the green one up there. Maybe it'll. So there's two of them.
Yeah.
These are the Revell. Wow, it just doesn't want to focus, man. And the trunk lid's open on these. Yeah, they don't stay open. It's really just struggling to just focus on what we have in here. It's got like a snowman or a clown with balloons and a skyline. And this one here has a dragon on it. I got gold wheels.
The front doesn't go down easy on this one.
On the green one?
Yeah. Oh, there's those ones.
Man, it didn't want to pick up those cars at all for some reason. I don't know why. Okay.
Here's the next one.
This is a 143 scale car here. And this is the color green that my car was. I have one pretty much the exact same color. Is it still bolted? No, it's still bolted down. Yeah, I'll just leave it. Just leave it on there. And this, that's a 143 scale car here. And it's green. It's about the color of my car.
Big scale.
Except I didn't have brown or tan interior. I had green interior on mine. Yes. I don't think there's any opening features on it. Nah, nothing opens on it. It's just a 143 scale car, a little bigger than the Hot Wheels. Alright, and then Johnny Lightning's is next. Got this one here. This one's got a jacked up wheel. This rear tire is all bent up on it. I'm not sure what the deal is. And it's got metal on metal with rear riders, rubber tires on it. Hood does open on it. Yeah, right. There it goes. I can't get it. You know what it is? My hand blocks the light. There we go. It opens up. Got a little detail in there. White interior. Alright. Yeah, it's a little. It's kind of compared to the Hot Wheel one. It's a lot shorter. Not as long, but it looks better. And then we have this black one with flames on it. Another Johnny Lightning. This one's actually got plastic wheels on it, but it's metal on metal. Got yellow interior in it.
That was pretty nice.
That one is a nice one. Then we have this one here, the Super 70s. This one's kind of like
It stays open.
a green. This is a green. Or, well,
yeah.
Is it green or black?
Green. Dark green.
I got dark green. Yeah, it's got more detailed motor in this one. Hood closes. And it's got plastic wheels too. And these red lines on it. White interior. Yeah, that's a dark green one there. Alright. Is that the last one?
Yeah.
That's the last one?
No.
Oh.
I thought it was...
And I got this one here is the Zingers one.
The one's
yellow.
on the back looks pretty cool.
The GTO and the Hummer.
Yeah. It's pretty cool.
What year is this thing? Shiny Lightning, sometimes it's hard to tell what year they are. I can't see.
Rubber. Plastic makes it look like rubber.
2004, so it's probably 2015. I mean, 2005 is probably when this one came out.
Pretty cool.
Yeah.
That came out all
If you like the Zingers are not too bad sometimes.
The next one's the latest, Shiny Lightning, and the last one.
And it's got plastic tires too. So we have one more after this one.
Yeah. This one it looks pretty cool.
Alright. And there's that one.
That one's also like a hydrator. Here's the last one.
And the last one is this one here. That's the spoilers. Spoilers car. Oh, okay. And it's a green.
Ooh, this looks cool.
You like that one?
Yes.
That's probably why you saved it for last. And it's dark green.
Well, there might have been a card in that. Oh no, there wasn't a card in
Does that have plastic? That one's got plastic tires too. Wow, only one of them has the rubber wheels on it then.
Oh yeah, there was a card in this one. See? Easy card.
Oh yeah. So the only one with the rubber wheels is this guy here. That's the same car?
This one doesn't have that.
Are they different?
They're the same. Just that he just has them.
Okay, they just took them off. Just took the hood off of it then.
My favorites are three.
Those three are your favorites?
Yeah.
Yeah,
these ones here
Hot Wheel
came
ones.
close. So.
Oh, the Shiny Lightnings.
And this guy.
And the bigger guy, huh? Yeah, the Hot Wheels, they're just not as appealing. You don't like the Revell ones neither, huh?
Which ones?
The Revell?
This one is okay. This Hot Wheel one doesn't look bad.
The Treasure Hunt one?
Yeah.
They try to make the Treasure Hunt look the best. So there you go. There's our Riviera collection of 71 Rivieras. Alright.
Comment down below, subscribe, hit the bell button when you subscribe, hit like, and see you next time.
Alright, we'll see you on the next one.
Drive safe.
Bye, guys.